year we'll collect around 600,000 tonnes of cardboard, or OCC, which is old corrugated containerboard, from our customers around Australia. Around 500,000 tonnes of that will be recycled here in Sydney at Botany on our B9 paper making machine. As we only need a certain amount of cardboard to make the paper, any excess that we collect from our customers from around the country will be exported. The different types of businesses that Opal deals with, a big portion of what we deal with retailers, big retailers. So Woolworths, Kmart, Target, Aldi's. They're more than customers, they're partners, because these customers, they have a lot of cardboard, which is great for us. We have a need for that cardboard and they have a need to recycle. So that's a big portion of what we do. We deal with waste management companies. They obviously have a promise to their customers to recycle domestically. We have the infrastructure to do that, so we'll take a portion from waste management companies. And then we also have the brands, so the customers we sell the packaging to, they'll recycle material from their sites, and we also bring some of that back to our mills as well. The biggest challenge Opal faces in collecting used cardboard from a quality perspective is what the material looks like, and are people aware of what can actually be recycled here. So as more and more contaminants find their way in, we become less efficient here, and we have more things that either need to go to landfill or can't be turned into paper. So for us, that challenge is really around how are people educated on what actually can be recycled here, and how can they provide us with a better form of recycled material. When I talk about being able to provide security, the big brands already know this, and this is why we partner with them. They want to know that their material is going to be recycled. They want to know where it's recycled, and they want to know what it's turned into. And it's a very visual thing when you walk through B9 and you can walk a line and you can see something turned into a 50-tonne roll of paper, and then you can drive down to one of our sites where it's turned into a box. So that's real security, where you can visualise something being brought in, turned into a product here on one site. And that's going to become more prevalent, not just for brands that are really promising to the market sustainability, but also the brands that are making the boxes as well. They want to know that their product can be recycled too. For B9, the fibre packaging is a lifeblood to what we do here. We want as much fibre packaging to come through these doors as possible, and as fibre packaging grows, that means paper packaging is going to grow and our business will grow. So I think it's got an extremely important role to play in sustainability, as people take products that don't necessarily need to be single-use plastics and turn them into a fibre-based product.